Okay, we just moved the truck around the other way.
Perfect.
So now we're going to be
Doing those two doors.
now instead of a three-way shootout, we're going down a two-way shootout. We're going to put this on both doors and have it side by side of what the two are.
Rags for this. Oh, I do actually.
What happened to the rags? You cleaned up those other ones?
I cleaned them, but I didn't bring them.
Oh, you stole everything.
I didn't steal shit. Don't ever call me a thief.
You took my plexus.
That's a different word. We can work with that word.
You took my plexus.
Yes. I did take it.
And you put them
I
on
am
your,
guilty of taking it.
and you put on your glasses and you liked it.
And not the word.
Help when I go to the car wash,
Some
I
of your-
always buy 3 rags.
Yeah.
And only end up using 2 of it. So and a whole bag of rags. It's like 2 bags in there.
So we got extra rags now? All right, we're good.
We're good.
Okay, which one's going on which door?
Let's wipe it down first, yeah?
Yeah. That's the wet one?
Yeah.
Don't use that one.
What?
Well, you gotta wipe it down on that door then. Cause I gotta wipe that off immediately. Cause
No, I just turned it around.
That's the purple one.
Alright.
So we're doing what, purple now?
We're not doing anything on this one then.
Which one are we doing?
We're doing these 2, right?
Yeah.
Right.
What are we doing first? Purple or the fancy one?
We're gonna use this fancy crap first.
Fancy crap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot. Oh, man. I forgot when you have the light on, that means you're recording.
That's right, fancy crap.
Alright, so back to the
It's me, I don't add
Armor
it.
Shine
12,
Shield.
12 drops.
So this is
12
Armor
good
Shield,
drops.
Armor Shield 9. Kill the damn light, there we go. So we're gonna put that one on there. And that comes from Armor King.
Alright.
Did I do it right?
Yep, you did it.
Yeah, it looked like
Dot.
foreign debris.
Foreign debris.
Yeah, it came out of this bottle though.
Well, it's a dirty bottle now. How many more times?
Alright,
can you use it?
horizontal. Then
Horizontal, then vertical.
Yeah.
This is how you apply this.
Mhm.
Horizontal, then
As
vertical.
per the instructions.
Instructions.
So you go vertical, horizontal.
Yeah, I can see the liquid going on.
I think you need more than 12 dots for this, but
We'll put some more dots on it.
it's just my opinion.
We got plenty of dots. I bet you if you do it twice, it makes it even better than once.
I'll tell you what, as that's going on, it just gets darker.
It does.
Well, that wettens it. So.
It's like it seals the pores.
Yeah, but it
of-
stays dark.
Yeah.
Okay, we've gone horizontal.
Yep.
Now we are going to go
Vertical.
vertical.
So, yeah, you can see how that's all hazed up and this side
Yeah.
dark.
Exactly.
What was that word they used for you buff? It was trans something. There's one 15 damn some of the words they had.
What, the word he used?
No, the one that was on the instructions before you buffed it.
Oh, I don't remember.
Yeah, that was a big long one. Basically when it kind of semi looked dry.
Right. Oh, it's a word that describes multicolor.
Yeah,
Yeah. Not,
whatever that was.
yeah.
So what's that imperfection in your paint there?
Huh?
Translucent?
No.
What do you got?
no,
What's
no,
that? A
it
bug
was,
turd or is that something else?
Yeah, that's turd.
It was.
It's a turd on a turd.
The word was
Iridescent?
iridescent.
Yep, that's it.
Just look at the color change. Man,
That's better. Here, move it the other side.
unbelievable.
Go to the other side. Yeah, it's just,
It's unbelievable that it just changes the color.
well, you got a chalky black and it's instantly gloss. You know, just deep change, instantly. And that's as soon as we put it on. It wasn't rubbed in or
Right,
anything. It,
that
just,
was the
it looks wet.
The application.
Yeah, it makes it look wet instantly, but it stays that way. It doesn't
Yeah.
change. And the more he buffs on it, the deeper it gets.
So it makes your brights brighter, your darks darker.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, but you can't see that on the color white.
No, the white didn't show it squat.
The white didn't show anything.
That's why they paint vehicles white, because it hides everything.
It hides everything but dirt.
That's literal and figurative, right?
You can definitely see the cart. That cart's being reflected in that view pretty good.
Yeah. What a huge difference. I could see 2 or 3 applications of that and looking like you might have a different paint job.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's a lot of rubbing.
What came off on the towel? Not much.
A little bit of nothing, really.
Got a little something on there, but not much.
Nothing that I would be concerned about.
I'll tell you what.
Did that say Kirkland on it?
Yeah. Tell you what. That is an undeniable shift in color.
Yeah. So where's our damp towel? Yeah, why don't you go ahead and do the other side? He's getting tired.
No, I can do it. I'm just not finna rub on this side like I rubbed on it.
Well, go ahead and wet it up. You can put the.
It's already. Well, I can spray it on here. It was spray on here too, right?
You gotta wet the door first. You didn't wet the door.
Yeah, but I'm gonna spray it on
No,
here
you
first.
spray it on the towel
And then
and then spray it on the door.
Oh, I thought you had to. Oh, we had to have a damp towel before you
Yeah.
put. Okay, that's what it was. The vehicle don't have to be wet. The towel
No.
has to be wet.
Towel has to be wet.
So the water activates the formula, the fortification of the formula.
All right. There you go.
Yes, sir.
So it's part of the process. See, I made it dark too, but not the same.
Well, you got that blur. It's not as. I guess it goes on different. That's pretty
It
much it.
does.
Yeah, it goes on different. We'll have
This
to see it
goes
after it's
on
done.
wet.
Yeah.
That one doesn't necessarily go on wet.
It's wet, but it dries instantly, and then you're polishing the dryness. This one, it's the other way around. You definitely have to have water in this one to make it activate correctly. So don't do it in Arizona in the afternoon. Yeah, see, as soon as he touches that, it's clean.
I'm trying to see if we can see the color match up. You know, the black to black now.
Yeah. You mean that hand print there was getting to you, Louis?
Yeah. Well, I just want to make sure that it's a definitive line there. There you go. It just doesn't seem to. I mean, it might be color, have color preference, but it still doesn't give it that.
They both look good.
They both look good, but the door in the back looks blacker.
Yeah, I don't have the light on the front door, so I can't see it, but the light's definitely in there. Dad, don't stick the plastic up there. Where's metal?
We're looking for metal on the door. Oh, there it is.
You're looking for metal.
Metal on the car. We're looking for metal on the car. Can you imagine ever even having to say that?
That T-bird didn't. Well, it had lack of metal for lack of rust, but okay. So now the light I can only see right by the door. It's not in the right spot. Can we hang it back here somewhere further?
Yeah.
It needs to be further down the door. Here, put it over here. That's right here, right here, right here.
How about that?
There you go. I just want to get. I can't see it on the. See, I can't see the light in it.
Huh?
I'm trying to get the light where I can see that door, but it's
Oh,
not.
okay. How about that?
I'm trying to get the reflection of the light, how it's
There it
refracting.
is. Yeah.
So it's pretty round, straight.
And look at that.
It's a little bit closed up more. It's more of an oval looking shape. Let's go back to the other one. See how it goes more round?
Yeah.
So this one's just definitely, this is more optically correct. How's that for a small word?
All right. Yeah.
I'm still like,
In my
still liking the
preference-
nano.
In my preference, if I had to choose, I'd be using this.
You're going to nano?
Yeah, I'd be going with the
Avalon.
Avalon Kings Armor Shield.
Yeah.
That's your choice.
Yeah.
It seems to bring out the black. I mean, you can look right here,
Well,
and this black, two different blacks.
considering I know this paint and looking at how the orange peel is and how each one of them is masking that orange peel,
Right.
you see more orange peel here than you do here. This seems to more fill in the pores of that orange peel.
Yeah. Gives
That
it kind
doesn't.
of a factory look, huh?
Yeah.
It gives it kind of a factory paint job look.
Yeah, I'm trying to look
I
at
agree.
Because there's certain spots that you can look at this truck and you won't see the orange peel at
Yeah.
all.
Well, I'm looking at the logo on my shirt
It just looks blacker too.
over
You
here.
too.
And it was easier to put on, right?
When I was
See it.
right at the crease, I can see the difference in the two blacks.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one you can't really see my logo on my shirt very well. This one you can see it right here. Yeah, this one you can't really see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this time the
That
armor,
technology.
the nano stuff is working. Which was the
And it's just easier to put on.
Mm-hmm.
It seems
Armor
like that
shield.
one was just boom, boom, and
armor shield nano.
Wipe it off.
That's what it is.
Buff it off. That was the real difference there. The application of the Avalon Kings is a whole lot better.
You know what the real difference is? This is like 70 something bucks. And this was 20 bucks.
yeah, but I mean, you can still see the black.
On this truck here, you can definitely see it.
The black. It's just the black.
Now that one you're not
It's
supposed to
black.
put on glass, but I think this one you can do glass
No, I wasn't putting it on glass. I was putting
You're on the
it
trim.
this little black trim right here.
on the rubber. Mhm.
Yeah.
I mean, you can still see where it's over here.
I think you need to get
it's
down lower.
black.
Mm-hmm.
And over here, it's
It's like a grayish black.
grayish black.
It's black with a gray
Haze on there,
yeah.
son.
But either way, you can definitely see the reflection of everybody pretty clearly.
yeah.
On both sides.
I'm gonna favor this. I'm gonna favor that door. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm favoring that door. It just seems smoother
I'm looking at my
and
light.
more full.
I'm looking at my light on my camera right now.
Yeah.
You can see it's got like a vertical haze going up. You come over here, see it's more
It's a solid beam.
smaller focused.
Yeah.
I'm just.
It looks like the light bulb is a third smaller over here
Yeah.
than here. It's bigger.
Yeah, but even the black,
And that's the reflection of how it refracts coming off the finish.
Color of
just
it.
the color, the blackness of it.
It
It actually,
intensified the-
it actually now looks like a factory paint.
Yeah.
I'll say it that way. It doesn't look aftermarket now. It looks like a factory paint. It's just, there's no denying it. That still has a blur to the paint. It's not rich black.
Not very much. It's
not
pretty
rich
close.
black. Yeah.
I think you're within 10% of it, but it's still pretty nice. The Suma's the one that was way behind.
That intensifies your color.
Yeah.
It intensifies it.
I
Because you
mean,
can tell.
that for me, I could live with the paint.
Yeah.
I wouldn't feel rushed to paint my truck with that black.
Yeah.
Look at that. I mean, in the reflection here, from here to your shirt, there's no blur at all. It's like I'm looking at a glass.
Wait,
Look at
look
that.
this
Take
way?
that camera shot right there. Look at his shirt.
Yeah,
There's no blur there at all.
yeah, but stand back.
Hello?
Move back about 2 feet so I can see in the door.
Well, I'm wiping the door.
I'm trying to look at your,
Nobody want to see the
Sure.
reflection of
Oh.
your shirt.
we're reading the reflection. So,
See, it's not as clear, is it?
well, he's standing differently. It's still pretty clear in both.
Is it? No.
Yeah, you can definitely see it. I think you're pretty close. I think it's within
think
10%.
so?
It's within 10%. It's not like it's huge. And they're pretty deep. They're both deep black.
I see
I
that
don't-
back
I don't see
door looking
The back door is better, but
way
The back
nicer.
door is a whole lot darker.
I
And
see
you
that
see-
back door way
The
nicer.
main thing you don't see in that back door
Is
are
orange
these
peel.
scratches.
So it's hiding the scratches and the orange peel more.
Yeah.
So
You have to be at the right angle in order to see the scratches and the orange peel.
It just looks.
You have to be at the right angle to see the scratches, and you have to be at the right angle to see the orange peel.
yeah, well, I can see that in the
I'll say it
light.
again. It looks factory.
Yeah.
Well, like I said, when you look at the light reflection right now on my
Yeah.
camera, it's a direct, small, clear shot. And when you go over here, it's more blurry. It looks bigger. See over here, this looks smaller. That one looks bigger. See the difference?
Mm-hmm.
So,
It's not as black.
so that tells you it's doing something different, obviously in the paint.
That just the black is just a different.
Now, how's it feel when you're rubbing your hand on it?
I mean, this is smooth. It feels oily.
Yeah.
This feels oily. It feels like this has left a residue here. This feels like there's a residue here as well, but it's not as
That's wet
Slippery.
feeling.
yeah, it's not as slippery as this. This looks like this will repel. This feels like it'll repel some water though.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that test. They all did it.
Man, I don't know. That back door just looks money.
I guess this would work better on the hood, right?
Does the same thing. It goes down.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah, but it made a difference. We did the test before. So. This one went down to one layer. This one went to two different rims, but it's more clean with this one.
yeah. This purified water from the lake of Manatanta.
You can see this one has bigger droplets.
Mm-hmm. That side is holding bigger droplets.
This one here, it's finer where they went down, but they're not spread out. They just drain. You can see how it's hard to see, but it goes like 4 different things with the bottom spreading out. This one here, just kind of like 2 trails went straight down. It didn't block it very much. But yeah, they're both repelling. Yeah, we know it does do that. All right, well there you go. So take your pick. You got the cheap one, you got the expensive one. This is the cheap, this is expensive. And they're a little bit better, but they're definitely all better than the Suma. So there you go.
It's just that's just
All right.
crazy improvement.